Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2018 Dodge Challanger SRT Demon. This casting is by Hotwheels and it's part of their Stars and Stripes series. That's why you see the paint job. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Challanger out of its box. If you haven't seen my last video of one of the Star and Stripes vehicle, so this line sits somewhere between the main line and the premium diecast from Hotwheels, so you will end up having some details which are better than mainline, but again will miss out some things which you only find on premium. So let's start and see what we get, what we don't. First of all, this crazy stripes paint job, Stars and Stripes, looks good, looks really good, especially on this silver Dodge Challenger. Again, since it's a Demon, so you see in the Demon logo there, you see right there, you got the Mopar logo, Dodge and SRT badges on the side. Also you can see the flared wheel arches, suggesting it's a more powerful, wider track car. And if I'm not wrong, even on the actual car, the wheels are of different sizes. I know different widths and different sizes, so that's how it's represented here. Wheels, they look alright. Nothing special to talk about here. They don't look bad. That's what I can say. Now, let's come to the front. So here are the few things which you don't see on mainline, but you can see on the Star and Stripes if my camera can focus. So yeah, there you go. It's got detailed headlamps, SRT badge, detailed grid up front, which you don't get on the main line. You got a bigger hood with a vent, again because it has got a bigger V8 engine. Also some more aero stuff going here. You know, more powerful car. I don't know why Hot Wheels missed out on mirrors on this one. Would have made it look so good. That's my gripe, I always say that. Windshield wipers again misses out on that, but I think it's got blue interior. Well, this is how it looks from the top anyways. Coming to the side, so the driver's side, yeah, it's got a blue interior. I don't think the actual car gets a blue interior, but this one has got one. On the driver's side, it's exactly same what we saw, obviously. The only difference being the fuel filler cap here. Let's go to the rear. Again, rear is nicely detailed. You can see detailed tail lamps, Dodge badge. You got the twin exhaust at the bottom, the number plate holder, and you got that small spoiler at the trunk. This looks good. The interior, I don't know why they finished in blue, but one thing I don't know if you can see. Let me try from the front. No, it won't really focus. So the interior has only got one seat. I don't know if actual Demons do that. Like it's only got the driver's seat, no passenger seat. Well, as far as we talk about the casting, I think it's a really nice looking casting, and especially for the price you pay, it's got some great details and a great paint job. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.